Butter. Where it comes from, how to make it, and why. Let's start with where butter comes from. Does butter come from grass? Grass is the main diet of cows. Cows have an amazing biology that allows them to produce rich milk that has cream that gets separated from cow's milk, and that's where the story of butter begins. So how do we go from lovely cream to lovely butter? Let's take a closer look at how it's done. Making butter is a mechanical process. You can take fresh cream, sour cream, you can beat it, churn it, or you can even shake it. You just have to keep on going until little droplets of butter start to form. They start sticking together, and in no time at all, you have big chunks of butter floating inside buttermilk. In the video you're seeing now, I used an electric beater. Unfortunately, the beater didn't survive the process, and I had to carry on churning by hand. This nicely goes to show that it doesn't really matter what equipment you have. You just have to keep on going till all the butter is properly separated. Pour off the buttermilk into a separate container. Use some ice cold water from the fridge to rinse the butter. Press it out, fold it over, rinse it several times till you're sure the buttermilk is out. Then add a little bit of salt for flavor and as a preservative. Fold out all the water, press it into a block, and there you have some delicious fresh butter that remains unrivaled. There is nothing like butter. No artificial product like butter. Real butter remains the best, the nicest, the most delicious.